Inside a high-speed manufacturing plant, machines run smoothly, conveyor belts move efficiently, and production is in full swing until a critical assembly line motor suddenly breaks down. With deadlines approaching, the plant manager feels the pressure. Every minute of downtime means lost revenue. Without wasting time, they open the StatStream app. A few taps show the motor's maintenance history, service contracts, and the technician. An alert is sent instantly, and within minutes, the technician arrives, diagnoses the problem, and repairs the motor. Production resumes, and costly delays are avoided. StatStream is more than just a reactive maintenance tool. It's a complete manufacturing maintenance management system. From tracking equipment history to service contracts, everything is streamlined. Work orders are assigned effortlessly, with manuals, images, and real-time status updates for clear communication. Automated preventive maintenance schedules ensure machines stay in peak condition, reducing unexpected failures. With StatStream, manufacturers minimize downtime, extend asset lifespan, and maximize productivity. Now the maintenance manager can view all tasks in a single dashboard instead of constantly being occupied with maintenance phone calls. Keep your production lines running smoothly with StatStream, where efficiency meets reliability 24/7.